Bathroom building site. This is the approximate location of the original bathroom building, the bathhouse of the army camp. The bathroom building consisted of two large rooms where Baba's early women mandali were housed during their first stay at Meherabad in 1924 and again during the Meher Ashram period of 1927-28. There was a small privacy enclosure of woven bamboo made around the west end as well as a large compound of the east end with toilets and kitchen facilities where the women did their cooking work. When Hazrat Baba Jan came to Meherabad to see Baba on April 1st, 1928, the women peeked through the woven bamboo and watched the silent meeting near the railway tracks. This building was demolished after 1928.